Hi everyone, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK, and today I have a super duper quick video for you, and this is one that I have only just got round to editing. So this is using a Freckled Fawn kit, which is one from I think the tail end of last year, but I thought I would just edit this and pop it up on my channel for you. So I get I think it's the 6x8 kit, which is the larger traveller's notebook kit, but I tend to use the kit in many different formats. So sometimes I do 12x12 with it, sometimes I create traveller's notebooks with it, sometimes I do other projects, so mini albums and all sorts with it. But this time I'm working in my traveller's notebook, which is the ring bound album. All of this is from Freckled Fawn, the album as well as the kit. And oh yeah, my camera slipped in the holder, which I didn't notice, so sorry about that. So we'll just flick forward a little bit. So yeah, I'm just using the kit here, and I'm just cutting down. I printed my photo to the size of the page protector and popped that in, and I just added a little chipboard sticker on, and then the other side I'm going to make a little pocket to put these photo strips in. So if you have a Canon selfie printer, you can actually print these photo strips using the Canon selfie app, and you just pop your photos onto the app, and it will print out with 2 strips, and you can select, I think you can have 4 on each, but I wanted to look like a bit of a Polaroid, so I've gone with 3 on each. And then I'm just having a look through the kit here, as I want to make a tag to put my journaling on. So I've used one of the journaling cards from the kit. So I think they're 3x4. So I wanted my tag to be just a bit bigger than that, so I could pop the journaling card on top of the tag. And so I'm just using my We Are Memory Keepers tag punch board, which is one of my favorite tools. It's such a simple tool to use, but if you're anything like me, whenever you cut the corners to make a tag, they're always the most awkward angle, or you can't get the same to match the other side. And I know you can flip the bit over and cut it, but mine always looks really awkward. So I use that tool there, which gives me the perfect tag shape every time. So when my camera cut off, all I'd done is I'd actually cut a bit of vellum down to the size of a page protector, and I'd used the alphas from the kit on top of the vellum, and I just spelt out my title, which is We Just Fit, and this photograph, or photographs, are of our jigsaw adventures. We've become proper jigsaw people. Well, I have, and I just drag hubby along for the ride for it. So I've stitched those alphas onto the vellum just to make sure they stay over time. And then I've just added another bit of vellum there to create a little pocket. And you can use the pocket for many things. So if you have bits of ephemera that you want to include in your albums, then a little pocket is a great way to include those sorts of things. So I like adding pockets, and you can add bits and bobs in, and it's a great way to make interactive elements, so you can pull those out and have a look at them rather than them just being on the page like they normally would be. So I'm just going to add some black and white twine to my tag and add some journaling. I was contemplating adding an embellishment over that vellum pocket, but I decided to leave it as it is in the end. And I'm glad that I made that choice. I like the nice clean look, and then you can see straight through the vellum to see that there's a tag on there with some journaling to pick up and read. So this is it. I'll just add my journaling on, and my layout is complete. So if you are interested in any of the Freckled Fawn goodies, and I'll leave that linked in the description box down below for you. And I thank you for joining me for today's super duper quick video. If you have enjoyed it, as always, if you wouldn't mind giving the video a thumbs up. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I'll leave a little button on the screen for you now as well. And also there's a couple more videos if you want to carry on watching. And I'll see you all again next time. Bye!